Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed review of the Lenovo Legion 5's touchpad and system. Today, we'll explore the internal components, tools needed for maintenance, and some essential tips for keeping your device in top shape. Let's get started. First, let's gather our tools. You will need 1. A Phillips #0 screwdriver for the screws. 2. A plastic spudger or pry tool to safely open the casing. 3. An anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static damage. 4. Compressed air canister for cleaning. Once you have your tools ready, power off your Lenovo Legion 5 and unplug it. It's essential to ensure safety before proceeding with any internal inspection. Start by removing the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. There are typically 10 to 12 screws. Make sure to keep them organized as you will need them for reassembly. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. With the screws removed, gently use your plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be careful and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once you've accessed the interior, take a moment to inspect the touchpad connections and the internal components. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. Focus on the fans and the areas around the touchpad. Keeping these components clean helps maintain optimal performance and extends the lifespan of your device. Now, check the touchpad connections. Ensure that the ribbon cable connecting the touchpad to the motherboard is secure. If it appears loose or damaged, it may need to be replaced. If you're not comfortable handling this, consider our convenient service of pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Once everything is clean and checked, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the casing by aligning it properly and gently pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, reinsert the screws you previously removed. Remember, no calls, no travel, just straightforward service at your convenience. After reassembly, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 and test the touchpad functionality. Make sure it responds accurately to your touch and gestures. If you encounter any issues, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work begins. In conclusion, maintaining your Lenovo Legion 5 is crucial for its performance longevity. Regular cleaning and checking of connections can prevent future issues. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.